Everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad algebraic problem, and here we have x to the power of 6 minus 64 equals to 0, and we find all the 6 root of this equation. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we rewrite this equation as, we have x to the power of 6 and we write it as x square and its whole cubed, because when we multiply this 2 by 3 we get 6, and we write this 64 as minus 4 cubed and it is whole equals to 0. And in the next step we use here the nice cubic formula, and you know about this formula. If we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So here we use this cubic formula. So if you focus on the above term and you see that the value of a is x square and the value of b is 4. So now here we just put the values of a and b in the below formula and we get its output in this form. So we have a minus b and the value of a is x square, so we get x square minus the value of b is 4, so we get x square minus 4 into we have a square and the value of a is x square and its whole square plus ab, so our a is x square into b is 4 and plus b square, so b is 4 square and this whole equals to 0. So now here we need to simplify the terms, and we need to get all the values of x, so that now first we simplify the terms and we write it as x square minus 4 times of here you get x square and its whole square, so we write it as x to the power of 4 plus, when we multiply these two terms then we get 4 times of x square and 4 square will be equals to 16 and this whole equals to 0. So in the next step you see here we have two cases. The first case is, we suppose that x square minus 4 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x to the power of 4 plus 4 times of x square plus 16 equals to 0. So here we have these two cases. So in the first case we first solve our first case, and if you focus on the first case we have x square minus 4 equals to 0, and we write it as x square minus, we write this 4 as 2 square equals to 0. So we have a square minus b square, so we use this nice square identity, and you know that it is equals to x minus 2 times of x plus 2 equals to 0. So here we again get two cases. The first case is we write here x minus 2 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x plus 2 equals to 0. So we get the first two real roots of the first case. These are x equals to 2 and x equals to minus 2. So these are the first two real roots of the given equation. And now here we move towards our second case, and this is our second case, and now we solve this case. So here first we take here y equals to x square and we convert this polynomial equation into the quadratic form. So when we take y equals to x square, so this equation will becomes y square plus 4 times of y plus 16 equals to 0. So this will becomes in quadratic form, and now we move towards to find to solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. So here first we write the coefficients of this term, and we know that the coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 4, and c equals to 16. And our quadratic formula will be looks like in this form: y equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac, and this whole over 2 times of a. So now we put all the values of a, b and c in this formula, and we get its output in this form: y equals to minus 4 plus minus we have 4 square, because the value of b is 4, so you get 4 square, and 4 square equals to 16, minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 16, and square root over 2 times of a, and the value of a is 1. So that here we simplify the terms, and we write it as y equals to minus 4 plus minus, here we take common 16 on both of the terms, and we obtain 16 times of 1 minus 4 and its whole square root over 2. So that here we have the values of y after simplification equals to minus 4 and plus minus. Here you know that the square root of 16 will be equals to 4 times of square root of 1 minus 4 equals to minus 3, and this whole divided by 2. And now in the next step, you see here we have the negative sign inside the square root. So you know that it is equals to iota, and we write it as, so here first we break these equation, and we write it as minus 4 over 2 plus minus 4 times of square root of 3 into iota. We convert this negative sign inside the square root equals to iota, and this whole over 2. So you get 2 times of 2 is 4, and 2 2s are 4. So we have the value of y will be equals to minus 2 plus minus 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. And now you see in the start of the problem we take here y equals to x square. So now we back substitute the value of y, so we get its output in this form, because our y equals to x square, so it will becomes x square equals to minus 2 plus minus 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. So here we need to find the values of x, so that we will take the square root on both of the sides of these terms, and we get our x equals to plus minus square root of minus 2 plus minus 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. So these are the these are the total 4 roots, and here we write the 2 roots are here. So these are the total 6 roots of the given equation, and this is the our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.